Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Sweet Cherry Tea Blueberry Pomegranate. First thing you gotta do is you put this sweet cherry tea bag into this mug, and then you pour in the hot water into this mug. Then last but not least, you open up the blueberry pomegranate sparkling water, and you pour it into this mug like halfway from the can. And here you go, folks. Here is your carbonated sweet cherry tea blueberry pomegranate. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching.